Hello, welcome and welcome back, everybody. In this video, I will be harvesting sweet potatoes. If you recall in a previous video, I will leave it linked below. I tried to grow this here beautiful sweet potato in a container in my backyard, and it's been about 120 days, a little over, now that I've checked the calendar, and it's time to dig these out and see what we got. Let's check it out. So I'm at this point attempting to possibly try to dig them out, but it was not working at all. I tried digging through the dirt, but I was so nervous I was going to damage some sweet potatoes, and I just didn't want to take a chance on doing that. So I decided I'm just gonna flip it out onto something and get it out that way. And so here I am attempting to also flip it out, which was also a challenge. They were really stuck in there. Not sure why, but they were in there pretty good. And there they are. And as you can see, I used a piece of wheat fabric. I'm not sure if that was right or wrong, but I did it. And as you can see, there are some little sweet potatoes there. So now I have to figure out how to get through this noodly mess of roots to get my sweet potatoes out. They look just as I expected, like little carrots. I was a little disappointed because I was hoping to have just a few bigger ones, and some smaller ones. I didn't get them to be as big as I would have liked, but hey, I grew sweet potatoes and I'm proud of it. But I got some good looking ones, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep them because why not? And hey, this started off as an experiment because my sweet potato in my kitchen started sprouting sprouts, so I would say this is actually a success, and it's also encouraging me to try and grow more garden vegetables. A couple things I would do differently next time. I think I will put it in a deeper container and make sure I mulch, because I did not mulch this plant here. And I would make sure that the vines don't touch the dirt, because it's a vining plant, so every time it touched the dirt, it tried to grow a new vine for more sweet potatoes to grow, which took up a lot of room for the other ones to get bigger, I believe. I also would make sure I'm watering it consistently, because I think it dried out a couple times throughout the summer. But those are just a couple things I would do differently. And here's what I got. Thanks for watching.